The murder trial for Hannah Landon is close to its climax. Landon is accused of killing her boyfriend's 6-year-old daughter, Bella Fontenelle. Now, both the prosecutor and Landon's defense attorney, they gave their closing arguments this evening.
Yeah, jury's now deciding whether to convict Landon of first-degree murder, and Rachel Hanley's been in the courtroom all day. Rachel, this trial is coming to a close.
Yeah, those closing arguments wrapped up just in the last hour, and we left the courtroom a few minutes ago when the jury had just left to start deliberating. It's been a tedious day with hours of testimony, and we're starting to see some of Bella Fontenelle's family members in the courtroom become visibly antsy and upset. Opening arguments in this case started on Tuesday, and up until now, the trial has focused largely on details of the crime itself and the relationship between Landon and Fontenelle. Jurors saw autopsy photos, evidence from the crime scene, and they also heard from her family members and the police officer who found her body, among many others. Today's testimony focused on Landon herself. Her defense team has never tried to insist that she did not commit the crime. Instead, they're pleading not guilty by reason of insanity. They called a psychiatrist to the stand, and she described Landon's traumatic childhood that began in a Khmer Rouge camp in Cambodia and involved a physically abusive father. She said she could not conclusively say whether Landon knew right from wrong at the time of the crime, which is what the insanity plea rests on. After that, the state brought up a psychologist of their own who said that she had determined Landon did know right from wrong at the time of the murder. She described Landon acting normally that day, then that night burying her phone, telling her sister exactly where it was so she could retrieve it, and then making the decision to go to the police. Now, again, the jury is deliberating at this moment, and the district attorney has elected not to seek the death penalty. So that means that if the jury finds Landon guilty, she will be facing life in prison. At Jefferson Parish Court, Rachel Hanley, WWL Louisiana.